Right, question number two. So here we go. This is another community and course related question. So I'm wondering if I could use New Zenler community feature to upsell into paid products. I joined a free school community where she offered free and paid products and that you could purchase inside of the community. Is there a way to offer a free community in New Zenler and upsell them into paid offers or memberships? It's a really good question. And it's quite interesting because we've just been through one of the ways that we can do this. Now, what we didn't, that was based on a product. Now, I think if I was looking to do it this way, and the quickest and easiest and most straightforward way would be to set up a free course as a community access course. Right, so it's not actually a course. It's just come here, join my community, right? And you would send them a link. It'll be a private community or secret. Send them a link, build it in a course. So let me just share my screen. So I'd go in here, I'd set up a, let's move that out of the way. So I'd go to courses, I'd create a new course, I'd call it, what would I call it? Community one access, just for the purposes of doing this. Right, so I'd create a course. I'd go in the curriculum. I probably wouldn't put anything. I would just leave it as it is. And what I would do is I would go over to pricing. I'd add a new plan. I'd create it free. Click in here next. Call it community access. It would be free. I'd add them to my community. So that's my community there. Right, and then click finish. Now, here's the bit where the upsell comes in. So what I would do is I would use the automations to upmail. So on enroll, I would start. So they've not got access to any courses of, there isn't anything there, but I could use the automation area to then set up some emails over time. So they come in and join my community. Here's a load of emails that I'm going to send them over a period of time and then get them to do that and do it that way. That's quite straightforward. We can do it via marketing funnels, but there's no direct link into getting them into a community via a marketing funnel. We would have to get the join link from our community. So if we went back to our community and then click up here for invite, we would have to take this link, get them into our funnel, send them that link, then they'd have to go over into our community and then we could use the automations within the funnel. So that's the two routes that you can choose to take if you wish. That's probably they're the most straightforward ones, they're the easier ones. I also think that it stops you getting caught up in a world of trying to embed stuff in and all of that that just won't work. And we don't have the option to embed that within what we do anyway. Of course, we've got the community feed that we can use to encourage people, give free offers. We can give them coupon codes. We can give them limited time deals. We can even go in and do a live in our community just by clicking go live and do live offers for people in there as upsells and encouragement for them to come into courses. But it depends on how far along the relationship is. I like automations because I can tend to gauge how far they are into knowing you before you start making an offer. And a lot of people will do it too quickly. They've probably not consumed any of your other content at this point, and therefore it feels very spammy, as in to go in a community and within 10 seconds, it's a bit like going in LinkedIn and going and making a connection request, I accept it, and then automatically they get hit with a hard sell. They don't like it. So there's no reason to believe that the people coming into your community will like it. So automations, I think, are really good. I think you can also do a new member live or new member post in there. If you just join my community, have you seen the emails we're sending out? They're from here, blah, 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 blah. You can put that as a featured post. You can put it on the about part here as well. So you can click stuff in here. You can add links here as well very much for your community. So you could put your sales links for your different courses and elements here. If you've got a special offer going on that month, you can add an image there with a special offer this month, the links below. So there's multiple ways of doing it that can look really, really good and take their time. Let your community have the choice as to whether they're going to get involved or not get involved. And I think that's really key. So hopefully that's answered your question. So 2 on communities so far. Let's see what the next question will be.